Welcome to day 9, my friend. Every day you're not only learning English, but also learning how to live with strength, purpose, and pride. And today we talk about a true lion of India, a man who fought for his people, his land, and his freedom. Let's dive into the inspiring story of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji was born in 1630 in the Shivneri fort of Maharashtra. From a very young age, he was trained in warfare, strategy, and leadership by his mother Jijabai, who often told him stories of bravery. While the Mughal Empire was ruling most of India, Shivaji dreamed of building a Hindu Swaraja, self-rule for his people. At just 15 years old, he started capturing forts and winning small battles using smart tactics. He didn't have a big army, but he had a big heart and brilliant mind. He believed in guerrilla warfare, fighting smartly, not blindly. He respected women, farmers, and people of all religions, a rare thing in those days. One of his most famous moments came when he escaped from Mughal prison by hiding in a fruit basket. He later returned stronger and built one of the most powerful and respected kingdoms in Indian history. In 1674, Shivaji was crowned as Chhatrapati, the king, not for power, but to protect his people with dignity. Chhatrapati Shivaji's life teaches us true power lies in vision, respect, and fearless action. Even if you're small in number, with courage and strategy, you can face any empire. So be brave, be wise, and never stop fighting for what's right. Thank you so much for watching today's story. If Shivaji Maharaj inspired you, leave a comment or share it with someone who needs a dose of courage. Let's keep learning, let's keep growing together. See